My name is Katandikwa, aspiring MP Machinde West. I'm really glad to be fully nominated today, and I promise I will work for Machinde West. I will work for the people of Machinde West to their satisfaction. I was Dr. Katandikwa, aspiring MP Machinde West. Ndimusanyu fulero kubanga ndifule nominated era nsuubiza abana Machinde ngenda kubakolera byonna bye mugenda kuntuma. Machinde West tefunangako mbaka wa NRM okuva almost 40 years for NRM zemaze mbuyinza naye mbasuubiza tugenda kukola leero era tugenda kuwangula.
My name is Delphine Rachichi Kanyesje. Delphine Rachichi Kanyesje, woman MP to be Lyantonde district. Manya gange kanzemu mu Luganda kubanga ngenda kwesimba Buganda. Amanya gange bampita Delphine Rachichi Kanyesje ngamba mu district ye Lyantonde eyesimbyeyo ku kifo ky'abakazi Lyantonde district ku kifo ky'abakyala. Ekyandetera okwesimbawo Lyantonde okukolera abantu alwadde nabakolera si lwakuba nti abaliyo teyakola naye njagala kwongereza ku Honorable Pauline byakoze okugezanga ku health center. Nze bwe nalowooza okwesimbawo natandika ne health center mu ggombolola y'e Kaliiro nenteekamu ebitanda kubanga obulamu bwe bugagga bw'oba tolina bulamu oba tolina bugagga. So ate nenkwata ku muntu wa wansi atalina bwogerere kyobola bampita gundi yange moto yange voice of the voiceless eddoboozi lye Lyantonde. Natandika ne Kaliiro nenteekamu ebitanda health centers zonna nenteekamu solas n'emifaliso bamama baffe gye bazaalira kubanga be batuleeta mu nsi. Yes, so ab'e Lyantonde bannange tekiseera we are the next generation. Ate ndinzaalwa abantu abalala bava ewala ne beesimbawo nga tebazaaliddwa Lyantonde. Why not means amanye ebizibu by'e Lyantonde ankuliddeyo nsomeddeyo, so kyekiseera zaabika omupiira. My name is Delphine Rachichi Kanyesje, woman MP to be Lyantonde. I'm contesting as a woman MP Lyantonde. The reason why I'm contesting to add on what Pauline has done. I started with health center in the Kaliiro sub-county. I donated beds, I donated solars, I donated water tanks.
I'm nominating the thank the entire constituency for supporting me, for believing in me, and for trusting me. So I'm kindly requesting you to test me and see how capable I am. I'm ready to lobby. I'm ready to connect because I want to use my experience and my network to uplift my constituency. I want to uplift my Manya Nedobozi. Tamwesije Freddy Sanga nesimbyewo mu Nakaseke North constituency. I've been fully nominated. As aspiring MP Nakaseke North constituency. Era njagala kusiima akakiiko ka Electoral Commission nti akatuwadde omukisa okwetaba mu kolaki okwesimbawo ate ebintu bitambudde bulungi. Abantu b'e Nakaseke ebituluma mbimanyi nga Nakaseke North constituency nze mwenzaalirwa mwenkulidde ebituluma mbimanyi era yensonga lwaki nzize tugonjoole ebintu ebyo tubikolere wamu nga Nakaseke North. Njagala kubategeeza nga Nakaseke North nti ebizibu byaffe tulina bakibba ttaka abafere twetaaga service ennungi, twetaaga service nga supervision malwaliro, twetaaga supervision mu masomero, twetaaga enguudo infrastructure, amazzi amayonjo. Kwegamba ebyo njagala okutwala eddoboozi ly'abantu ba wansi ba constituency bange mbalwaneko mu Buganda kubanga Nakaseke esangibwa mu Buganda region, esangibwa mu Greater Luweero. Yes. I want to take this opportunity to thank the Electoral Commission and also to thank the media fraternity for the warm welcome, and I've been fully nominated And I thank the Electoral Commission once again for doing that great work. I want to call upon my people of Nakaseke North constituency that I'm the right choice and I'm the right candidate. I'm a son of the soil, son of historical. I know what is hurting us. You see, when you mention Nakaseke North, when you mention Nakaseke, they always mention Honorable Tamaguzi. Kati ndondoze ekiseera kyekyo kati bagenda panga bogera mwezi Jeffrey Sanga mu Nakaseke kwegamba nze ngenda kubeera dabozi ya Nakaseke North banange mbasa.
If the fellow youth is to use the peaceful environment that we are having in the country that has been brought by the NRM government to work. That's the only thing I can tell them, so that we get money in our pockets. Basically, let's love our country, fellow youth. Let's love our country. Let's love peace. That is it.
Okay. Another thing, after here, what next? Yes.
Okay, I'm called Kuichiriza Emmanuel, and right now, or currently, I'm the Vice Chairperson, Youth League, Chiwoga District. The reason I'm here right now is to express my interest on the position of being the National General Secretary, NRM Youth League. Basically, you can see everything is on set. NRM is still powerful. Yeah, so from here, it's campaigning, the whole country, every district. So we are contacting all the delegates so that we get their votes. Basically.